In this video, we're talking about the best hardtop removal lift for the Jeep Gladiator. Unfortunately, this review covers only one product, the EZ4X4, because I couldn't find other similar lifts with solid reviews on major marketplaces. Of course, this doesn't include ceiling-mounted hoists you can install in a garage with enough ceiling height. You can find info about those on my blog. Today, we're focusing on a device that lets you remove your hardtop solo, quickly and without any hassle. And remember, all product links are in the video description. The EZ4x4 hardtop removal lift is basically the why make it hard when you can make it easy solution. It works with all model years of the Jeep Gladiator JT, whether your rig is stock or lifted. The whole setup is fully adjustable, so it fits every Gladiator out there without any extra mods. Reviews highlight how insanely simple the process is. Remove the factory bolts, roll the lift inside your Gladiator, and crank it up. That is it. No ceiling hoists, no sketchy straps, no drilling. The thick steel tubing frame feels rock solid, and the 4 lockable swivel wheels make maneuvering surprisingly smooth. Folks love that it is truly a one-person job and that it stores the hardtop safely while letting you park right under it. Freedom panels and racks still works. Plus, it folds up for easy storage when you are done using it. So that's the rundown. The EZ4x4 stands alone in this category for a reason. It is simple, safe, and made for real-world use. Check out the product links in the video description, and if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next review.